Here's how to start a one-person business with Claude. When you're a solopreneur, you have to wear all the hats. Be the researcher, the copywriter, the marketer, the pricing department, and the customer service desk, and somehow all before lunch. That's why most solo founders burn out before they ever launch. In this video, we'll teach you how to hand all 5 of those jobs to Claude with every prompt for you to copy. So by the end, you'll have run every part of a business with one AI doing the work of a whole team. Let's get started and fill the first role. Head over to Claude.ai to sign in. The free plan covers most of what we're about to do, and we'll flag the 2 steps that need the paid plan when we get to them. Everything happens right here in this chat box. Check out the doc shared below, which has all the prompts we're going to use in this video. The researcher. Every business starts with the same scary question. What should I sell and will anyone buy it? Most people answer that with a guess, and that's why they stall out. But you can use Claude to answer it with evidence instead. Give it your rough idea and watch as Claude goes out to the web and pulls your real competitors, their prices, and the complaints piling up in their reviews. Those complaints are your superpower because every frustrated review is a gap you could fill and use it as your competitive advantage. So start a new chat, make sure web search is turned on so Claude can pull live data from the web, and paste in this prompt. Just include the business niche you want to research. While it's on screen, look at what we're actually asking for. It's not just a list of competitors, we're telling it to pull the real complaints from reviews and to flag anything it's unsure about instead of making it up. That one line keeps the whole thing honest. Give it a moment to search and watch as it builds you a ranked table of who you'd be up against, their prices, the biggest complaint about each one, and the gap you could move into. Once you know what you're selling, you have to make people care about it. That's where the next role comes in handy. The brand and copywriter. A good product with a forgettable brand gets scrolled right past. So the next role to fill is your brand strategist and copywriter. Tell Claude who you are and who you're for, and it can build your whole identity. Name, tagline, a short brand story, and a visual direction with colors and fonts. In a new chat, paste the first prompt, the brand one. Claude will now ask you some questions to help create your new brand identity. A few seconds later, Claude opens a brand board in the panel on the right. Your names, tagline, colors, and fonts, all laid out where you can see them. Now the part that saves you real time. Paste the second prompt, and Claude writes your store copy in that exact voice you want, including your homepage, your About Us page, and product descriptions, all without that generic AI tone. If you're on the paid plan, you can lock this in with a project. In the left sidebar, click Projects, create one, and paste your brand brief into the instructions. From then on, every chat inside that project stays on brand automatically. On the free plan, you just paste your brief at the top of a chat instead. Either way, you'll get the same result. So now you've got a brand people can connect with. Now let's decide what to put on the shelf and what to charge. The merchandiser. Pricing is where new founders freeze because you're setting numbers before you've made a single sale. A merchandiser takes that off your plate. Paste this prompt in. Notice we're telling Claude there's no sales history yet, so it prices from the market and normal margins instead of pretending to know numbers it doesn't have. Within a few moments, you've got a clean table that contains your launch lineup, a price for each with the reasoning behind it, and a bundle designed to nudge up your average order value, which is basically just the average amount a customer spends per order. Good products don't just sell themselves. Someone has to get them in front of people. That's where the marketer comes in. Marketing is the role most solo founders dread, and it's why so many stores open to nothing but crickets. The solution is simple, to hire a marketer. But we're going to show you how to get Claude to handle your marketing for you. Start by pasting this first prompt in, and watch as Claude lays out a 2-week launch calendar, detailing what to post, when to post it, the captions, and an email for your first subscribers, all sequenced to build interest and then sell. For the visual, we switch tools. If you're a Pro Plan user, head to Claude Design. That's at claude.ai/design, and paste this second prompt. Upload the .md file of the full brand brief you just created and watch it get to work. Claude Design will now generate an on-brand graphic right on the canvas, where you can change the color or wording with just a few clicks. So, you've got the research, the brand, the products, and the marketing. This is the point where it all becomes a real store people can buy from. Building that store is its own walkthrough, and we've got a full one linked below. Once your store is live, there's one last important role to fill. Because making a sale doesn't mean your work is done. If you want to keep your customers happy and coming back, then that's where the customer support rep comes in. Certain customers can bring in questions, reviews, and the occasional return, and this is normal. As part of owning a business, we're going to show you how your new Claude support rep can handle the first draft along with a tool like the new Shopify connector. First, a one-time setup. In Claude settings, open connectors, click Add, then Browse Connectors. Find Shopify, and approve access to your store. You only do this once, and from then on, Claude can see your store's real orders. Now, when a customer message comes in, paste it into Claude with this prompt. Because your store is connected, Claude pulls the real order, the items, the ship date, whatever it needs, and drafts a reply in your brand voice. It even flags anything it's unsure about. You read it, adjust it, and send. You stay in control while the busy work is taken off your plate. Which brings up the one rule that ties all of this together. Claude did the work in every one of those roles. But notice what didn't change. You. You set the direction, you check the output, and you approve everything before it goes live. That's the difference between a business you own and a machine you hope works. And most of what we just did runs on Claude's free plan. Saving your brand in a project and designing in Claude Design are the only two paid steps. If you want somewhere to bring all of this to life, that's what Shopify is for. You can start free and keep building for $1 a month. Check out the links below. We've included all the prompts from this video in a free doc down there too, so you can put all 5 roles to work on your own business today. Now go build it.